This is integrated science lab in which physics, chemistry, biology. In this case, we will show you about some related instrument physics, chemistry and biology. Here this is chemistry instrument in which this is measuring flux and this is the ferric chloride liquid and this is the potassium iodide. This is the potassium iodide and here filter paper. This is the filter paper and this is the test tube. Here these are the chemical instrument which is the test tube by which we measure the liquid value, and here after this we move here also these are the chemical instrument. Here this is also a chemical instrument measuring flux, and here also this is the measuring, this is the related materials of chemistry. Starch powder, it is starch powder and this is test tube, and after this we move here. These instruments are biological, in which this is the microscope which is very important portion by which we see smallest things or microbes or atoms or molecules by the microscope. Here this is the jar and this is the also a biological instrument. These all are biological instruments, and this is the measuring flux of 50 ml, and this is also the measuring flux. And here this is the physical, this is the goods which is related by physics, by which spring balance. This instrument is spring balance by which we determine the accurate value of any object weight. By this we measure weight of any object. Okay students, here this is the balance. This is the balance by which we measure the weight of any object by this balance, physical balance. And here this is also the physics related instrument that is balance, and by which we measure the gravity of the earth by these bubbles. And here pendulum, by pendulum we determine the value of the gravity by this method. This is the good example by this practical, in which stopwatch is also used suddenly to measure the time. Here after this chart is related to biological, in which life cycle of a frog is seen. This is very good chart, life cycle of a frog here, and this chart is very important, which is related to chemistry, mentally periodic tables, in which main elements are arranged in this periodic table. Okay, this is very good chart here, and this chart is related to biological, in which so life cycle of a house fly. All lives of the house fly. Okay, this chart is very useful chart to show life cycle of a house fly. Here, this is the biological related goods here in which plants, and this is the biological insects or animals. Here, millipedes. This is the millipedes, and this is crab is set in this jar. Set in this jar, crab. Here, this is the crab. Is this chart, and here octopus. Here octopus is in the jar, is found, is present. Here this is the chemical instrument by which we measure the liquids or reagents value by this measurement. And this is also, and this is related instrument of biology. In this jar, phyla is present. Phyla. You know about phyla. What is phyla? Phyla is present in this jar. Phyla. And here in this jar also a leech. Leech is present in this jar. Leech is present in this jar, which is biological portion. And this goods is filter paper be used during the practicals to pure of filter of water. Okay, this is my, and this chart is chemical reactivity of filaments. This chart is very important. Okay, and thus this is my integrated science lab in which physics, chemistry and biology. In my integrated science lab. Okay, this is the location of my, these are the locations of my integrated science lab. Okay, thank all of you.